It is currently 5:08 a.m. and Hurricane Beryl, whatever you call it, has officially hit. Let's take you on this adventure. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, the sound of the high wires.
Morning! Mia! It's your first hurricane! My husband's that crazy person that wants to go out during the storm. So we're going to drive around. We are in Galveston County. We live in Lamarck, Texas. It is 5:28 a.m. So far we have lots of rain and wind. We still have power at the moment, so let's go out. Let's see what we're going to find out.
Emergency operation mode. Please keep conversations to a minimum.
Go ahead, 322, this is Jacksonville. Okay, I'm back. Yes, we just had a transformer blow down off of Main Street in the Plum Street area. We were totally in the dark. We have no power.
Oh no, turn those bad boys off. Nope. Hey,
Station trying to come in.
We're at the top of the Galveston Causeway. Not much rain, a lot of wind. The 61st going into Galveston. Something hit our truck a few minutes ago. I don't know what the heck just smacked our window. Where are we at? We're getting close to the seawall. Those lights up here are seawall. It's getting a little rougher here. There's power lines down, James. James. Okay, so there's. Okay, sorry, I thought those lines are down.
Light down there.
This is 61st and Seawall.
No, this is the seawall.
Oh, what is it? Essential City Boulevard. We're almost to Seawall, sorry. I think you should turn around.
What?
I think you should turn around. Turn drive down here in Galveston.
It's turning into the water.
Yeah. It's all down. That's all right. This is Rainforest Cafe.
Yeah. Trying to get to the driveway so I can turn around.
This was roofing or what?
It's the roof.
Yep, somebody's roof.
Part of the roof's over there. Oh,
Yep. Oh, yeah.
nice backyard.
Wasn't it?
Backyard.
Lots of fences. Something on the road in front of us. I'm gonna go check on La Casino for Chef Mary Bass and go home.
That's fine. Tell me where it's at again.
Let me find it. Let's see.
That's the shit that hit there. Oh, it's fast flowing water here. What are we looking
39th. You can keep going straight. Two more.
39th here. What
Yeah.
Okay, we're looking at
Yeah,
39th.
we're going to. Got our bags up.
Some of these trash cans. I don't know.
Yep. Some power here.
Where else you want to go see?
Home.
Home or?
Home. I think it's time to go home.
It's not.
Oh my goodness.
We'll leave Galveston though. Should go out to East Beach. And the farther we got down, heading towards East Beach, the higher the water got. But pretty normal flooding there. So just street flooding. Some buildings are a little tore up, some roofs are lifted, stuff like that. But so far not so bad. We'll know more once this gets through, but we've kind of gotten pretty intense again. So
it's still doing damage.
I know they got it shut off up here. I want to go up here to the top of the levee and see it. See if we can see anything, or just too dark, or too
Yep.
Alright, so clearly they have the dike shut off. We know that. Man, I can't see shit. Trying to see how high the water in the house. That's all I don't want to do is lose power, you know?
Right.
You guys have power where you're at?
Yeah, we still have power. It's the thing flickering off on, but there sometimes I hear a transformer go off, see the lights kick and then come back on.
Alright, man, well, I'm gonna get moseying over to the house.
Yeah, we filled up yesterday. We didn't have no issue.
What?
The roof.
Oh,
Man, I wonder everybody's like down here. Yeah.
this direction or this direction? Yeah, we're really testing that fence now, huh?
Well, her tree's down.
What?
Her
Oh,
tree. Oh, shit.
wrong way, baby.
Oh, no.
Well, this is not my house.
It's our house. Currently 11-ish, 11 in the morning. I just woke up from a nap. Look at the dog. Let me show you what our yard looks like. I was laughing at Max as he was like holding on for dear life in the wind, but you open our door. This is our current situation. I think my neighbor might have had a window break or something. But you know, my string lights, they've held on. But oh man, my plants got some branches. Oh, I'm so sad. My bird feeders, man, I love my bird feeders. Oh, did it break? Man, it pulled the whole hook out the tree though. Oh, this was like my favorite bird feeder. Sorry, I'm trying to get these. Oh man, yeah, that's a little foobard. Oh, Max, what happened to the house? But I don't know. I mean, our house is good. We're alive. Tree branches are down. Oh goodness.
Walk around the back. That works.
The roof looks okay. Yeah, he says the back of the house is pretty bad. Oh, let me see. Let me come get my flag here. Hold on. Sorry, this video is everywhere. I'm just trying to get things going. Just to mind you, that bird feeder was on the other side. Let's fix our flag. Okay, well the flag's not fixing. Hold on. Okay, I've got my flag situated. BS trees are down. You know, my string light stayed up. His antenna's a little wonky. I think my Jeep is good. Oh man, my Buc-ee's flag is still there. I do want to show you on my neighbor's road. Oh my God, the wind. We have a tree down right here. I don't know if you can tell. Let's check on everybody. Oh my goodness. We did not flood, thank the Lord. Neighbor's trees down in the road. Let's check the back of the house. I know we had some flashing ripped off the house earlier. Let's see. You know, I'm grateful. It is what it is. Yeah, it's bent for sure. Let me go check on my chickens. Let's go see. Oh yeah, I got some big trees down. I think this is the worst damage to my house at the moment. Just some flashing. I know something hit my Jeep earlier. Was your truck good from earlier?
I think so.
I know this chicken wire had hit my side of my Jeep. Nope, I think I'm good. The table broke. I think we're good. Yeah, Jeep looks good, truck looks good. Definitely gonna have some yard work. Let's see. I'm gonna check on my birdies. Oh, I see a rooster, so that's good. Oh yeah, I don't know how to fix that. Thank the Lord that did not hit any closer to the house. Where did you come from? I'm not even sure where these branches came from. There's a hammock. Man, thank you for not letting it in my house. So we've had issues with this part of our yard flooding since we bought it. Oh, the dogs are just happy to get out of the house. Hi, babies. Let me get in here and check on my chickens real quick. Let me see how they... Oh, I know they're flooded. Poor babies. Oh, my poor chickens. They are flooded. Hi, babies. Oh, y'all in the thing? Y'all got to high water? That's good. Did y'all get up here? We got counts. Everybody looks okay? Oh, man. Your foods. You got water. Alright, I got some food. Hi, babies. Hi, pretty girls. Hi, Becky's. Woo! About fell. Hi, babies. It's okay. It's okay. I see. Y'all were smart, though, huh? You're okay. You're okay. Come on, let's go over here. Come on. Hopefully that's holding their food. I hear animals over here. Maybe I can tell how high the water is. I don't know. It's definitely like flooded. Water is moving. Overall, y'all, I'm happy. I'm blessed. This is a little bit of a mess. My house survived. Do y'all hear that? How crazy the wind sounds. I'm gonna leave this gate open for the chickens. Come on, babies. Come on, chicks. Come on. Come on, babies. Oh my gosh. Come on, animals. Oh man, our fence did fall over. My husband's pointing things out. Man, if y'all paid attention, we built this fence a while ago. Oh man. Chill out, wind. That sucks. That was an expensive fence. Military truck is good. We may take that out. We're alive. Our home has power. We have food. Animals are good. That's all I can ask for. We can fix things. The fence, we'll figure out how to fix the fence. But that's our update for now. If anything changes, I'll let y'all know. But thank you for everybody that's checked out on us and has asked. So there's the typical man of, oh man, my fence. We're gonna figure it out. You wanna take the big truck out? Alright. We'll talk to you in a little bit. Oh, come on, crazies. Let's go.
Cowboys.